Hi Sarah, this is Stephanie with Peerless Strategies. I spoke with Margaret the other day and she said it was cool to go ahead and send over this video to you. The reason I'm making this video is I was looking for laser hair removals, med spas in Bakersfield, and I noticed you were on the second or third page for some top keywords. So I just wanted to show you where you sit for the top keywords in your area and how to essentially bring in more clients to your business. So the two things I want to talk to you about are content and backlinks. So looking at your website, we see that you have probably about 300 to 400 words of content on your home page. Google likes to see at least 1,500 words of keyword-rich content. So content is really just all the words that we're reading here. Any photos that you have, Google doesn't actually see photos, they'll read what's behind them, so you want to make sure those are optimized. Typically, I'll jump over to your top competitor's website and kind of show you how much content they have, but because their website does not stop playing music, we're not going to open them up. But it is Euphoria, so these are the guys we would be looking at. We're going to skip over Youthology because they are also plastic surgeons, so we're only going to pull the med spa. So they have about 500 words, so very, very beatable. So the next thing I want to talk to you about are backlinks. So when we search for laser hair removal Bakersfield, the first thing we're going to see is the map pack, and below that is the organic section. And how we're going to rank in the organic section is with something called backlinks. So a backlink is really just one site linking to another site. The tool I like to use for that is called Ahrefs. So when we plug in Euphoria, we see that they have 110 referring domains, giving them 515 backlinks. When we plug in your website, we see that you have 16 referring domains, giving you 144 backlinks. I do want to point out that not all backlinks are created equal. So there are spammy backlinks and there are trustworthy ones. We see here, so the UR and the DR represents the strength and the trust of your website. Ideally, these will be double digits and they'll be pretty close to each other. So being that you have a 1 just shows the quality of your backlinks are not very trustworthy in Google's eyes. Compared to your competitor, they're a little bit closer. So we definitely want to get some of these links disavowed and get some better backlinks pointing back to you. Another thing with backlinking is you want to get relative backlinks pointing back at your website. So if you had maybe a med spa in Georgia pointing back to your website, that's going to be a lot more effective than, say, Pizza Hut, because Google knows that you guys are not in the pizza industry. So you want to get relative, trustworthy backlinks pointing back at your website. Next, I wanted to jump in and show you some keywords, just so you can get an idea of the search volume. So we see that lots of people are searching for Youthology, which is cool, even misspelled. There's 500 for the misspelled. Here's another misspelled for 500. Another misspelled one for 500. Correct spelling for 400. So these are all average searches per month. So that's really good. I wanted to show you some higher hitting keywords. So for facials in Bakersfield. So there's about 200 people searching for facials. We see that you're sitting in the 16th position. So you're on the second page for that. And then laser hair removal. There's another 200 searches. You're also in the 16th position for that keyword. Botox Bakersfield, there's another 150. You're in the 17th position for that. So here's quite a few searches you're not being found for because you're not on the first page in the top position for them. So that is pretty much why we're reaching out. We just wanted to show you all the searches you're not being found for and just, tell you that we can definitely help you rank for these 3 keywords, and any other services that you offer as well, as long as there are keywords for them. So just to do a recap for you, you want at least 1,500 words of keyword-rich content on your home page. You definitely want your back pages to be content-rich as well. And then you want to get relative trustworthy backlinks pointing back at your website. Definitely get this ratio fixed. And yeah, that's it. That's all I got for you. So if you have any questions, feel free to reach back out. Be happy to chat with you. Thanks so much for taking the time to watch this video, and I hope you have a great day.